and in today's video I'm going to do a small unboxing from Studiobyjen, which is a brand from a really good friend of mine who recently launched her line. It's really cool and it's full of cute clothing pieces. Well, clothing? What the? It's full of cute clothing pieces and it's really adorable and really good quality, and her shipping is extremely fast, so you should definitely check her out. I will link her in the description. I will say that the unboxing is from the other day. I have filmed it like 2 weeks ago because my MacBook broke and I couldn't edit, so that's why I'm filming in 2 parts. That's why I look different. So I'm also going to add a small YESSTYLE haul, which is based on really cute clothing pieces which are very basic but also really trendy right now. So I'm also going to do the try on and like show you the pieces and tell you how they are. Because I think I've already had them, like received them for 2 weeks, and I have been wearing them through my other videos and my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, like, follow me. So yeah, some pieces you already have seen, but I will give you a review about it, an honest review about what the quality is and how they last and how they fit after you put them in the washer and like things like that. So with no further ado, let's dive in. So we're going to unbox this beauty. Let's go. Oh. Oh my god. So it looks like this. It's very cute. Okay. So it says like, hi babe. Hi Anna, bedankt voor je bestelling en vertrouwen in Studiobyjen. Veel plezier met je items. Lief Jenny. So she's basically thanking me for ordering and trusting her brand and supporting her. Of course I will, Jenny. I always will. I stand your brand, and you should too. So let's move on to the items. It's really well packaged. Like, she really wraps paper around it and like to cover it up. I've ordered 2 items. One is a set. It's a cycling set with a top like this. It's really cute. Look at those ruffles. Oh my god, I love it. And the cycling shorts, also with ruffles on the side. Love it. I really needed one, but I was still like doubting where to get one, or I'm so excited. Oh my god. And last but not least, I also ordered a beige neutral top. Every girl needs a top like this, like, god. And the quality feels so nice. Oh my god, I love this. This quality feels really nice. It's really satisfying. Well, let's try these babies on. So you've seen the unboxing, so I'm going to start with the Studiobyjen items, which I still own because I gave the biker shorts away to my cousin because they didn't look that good on me and I didn't really like the fabric. But I did still own this ruffle top. It's really cute, but maybe I should have bought a an M instead of an S because I do fit in and it does looks good, but my boobs are almost popping out. Not that it's bad or looks bad, it looks quite good. Not that my boobs are popping out, but you know, it looks good. And I will pair it with a blouse on top of it, but just for a normal day to school, it's not that appropriate, and I would never just wear this one. Like, I would wear something on top of it. Not that I'm insecure, but it just looks better. Like, you gotta take care of yourself, honey. So not that it's bad. Oh my god. But It's really cute and the fabric is really nice. I've worn it like 2 times just at home just to chill or like watch TV, sleep, eat, you know, repeat. So I do like this one. So yeah. The second thing I'm going to show you guys is something where I'm obsessed about, which is the shape up crop top, if I remember it correct. It's so nice and soft, like, oh my god, I don't even have to wear a bra underneath it because it already has a little bit of padding. Well, it doesn't have padding, but it's like thick enough to not show your nipples, you know. So it's really nice. The fabric is so soft, like I mentioned in the unboxing. So it's really nice. I really recommend this one. You could like pair it up with any kind of blazer, blouse on top of it. Like this is just so nice, and it's nude, so you can also wear it like a sports bra or like a normal bra, just so you don't have to wear a bra. Because girls, we know the wires in a bra is not that nice or comforting. Well, it really depends. Sometimes it actually is to hold up the girls, you know. But definitely recommend this one. I've worn it like several times. It's really comfy. It's just a little bit warm in the summer because it's polyester, right? Yeah, it's polyester, so it's quite warm, but it's still really cute. So definitely recommend this one too. So moving on to the YESSTYLE items, which I will start with one of my favorites at the moment, which is this one, the green cute top, which Jenny also owned from Blackpink. You know, I saw the photo and I was like, I need that. So I ordered this one. It's really cute. It's one size fits all, and it fits really nicely. You've also seen it in my Shinshan inspired outfits. I have also worn this for Zhenan. It's really cute, and the fabric is really nice. It's stretched out, so I do believe it's one size fits all. But of course, we all know not everyone's going to fit in this, but for me it fits. So it is cute, it looks nice, it has cute ruffles, quality is okay. Yeah, just there are some like stitching not made well, like it's not very good at the end, but I'm not complaining, but because it's still really nice. Moving on to the next item, which is this beautiful red long sleeve. It's really pretty beautiful and pretty. Well, I will say the stitching is also not very nice because when I received it, it already had a hole in it. So I was quite upset. But for further off, it's really nice. It's really stretchy and it is really cute. Like cinching plays in the middle to cinch up your boobs and your waist, you know. So it's really nice. It's a really pretty V neckline. It looks just really nice. It's really pretty. It does look like a skeleton at the moment, but it's really warm, so it's not for the summer. Maybe for the fall and the winter it will be really nice. Moving on to the next thing, which are these beautiful red white leg pants. I love them. They look so nice, they fit so well, and I don't even need to fold them up because my legs are really short and the Chinese measurements are also very short, so they hit above my ankle. So that's not true. They fit above my McQueens. Okay, they're so nice, so pretty. I will say the fabric is really thin, so yeah, that's not really nice, but it looks very good, and you can pair it up with any kind of t-shirt, like black, white, red, oh my god, pink, green. It all looks so nice and it really looks really elegant. Really recommend this one. Like, oh my god, Love it. Moving on to the items you haven't seen yet, because the red pair of jeans, you've already seen it in like the Shin-chan inspired outfits for Shin-chan himself. But the next item you haven't seen, and which is this really edgy white crop top. It's so cute. Like, oh my god, it's really nice, and like the square neckline is, I love it. Like, I've quite big shoulders for a girl because I've been swimming a lot, and that's why I really gained these broad shoulders, like broader than your man, bitch. No. But yeah, it fits really nicely. It hits my cup really nice. So it's not like my boobs are popping out, so that's really nice. The fabric is really thin, and it's also a little bit see-through if you wear a dark color bra, but if you wear a nude kind of bra, it won't be that bad. But you gotta keep in mind that when you're wearing a strap bra, it will show on this side and this side because it's so wide in the neckline. But if you wear a strapless bra or you don't mind the straps, it's also really fine. Like, I don't care, so it's nice. And the quality is okay. It's really thin, but you can breathe through it. So if it's really warm, you can still wear it and sweat through it so no one sees it because it's white. Moving on to the last thing I've ordered, which I'm the most excited about, is this leather, fake leather, faux leather jacket. It's so nice. I ordered it in a size L because I wanted to be like really oversized, even though they already mentioned that it is already oversized, but my dumbass thought that they were like Chinese oversized. Not that I'm not Chinese, but my body build, the build of my body isn't like theirs. Like, I'm not like excuse me, I'm not like, okay, I'm not going to even finish that sentence, like, leave it there. I don't look that tall. I am not tall. I'm just a little bit thicker. So that's why I thought like maybe I need to order a size up. But I should have definitely ordered on them because this is still cute, still big, still oversized, but a little bit too oversized. Like, I could have definitely rocked on them as well, but this one looks also very good. Like, it's really nice. It's really warm because wind isn't coming through, so that's really nice. Not for this weather, but I'm still wearing it because fashion above everything, you know. It's really cute. It's really nice. The material's nice. The inside is nice. It looks really good, and even though it is too big for an oversized for me because I'm really small, it still looks like it's because of the model of jacket and not because it looks bad. So even though it is too big for me, it won't show. It just looks like it is meant to be like this.